Hello guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to change your address on Taobao. Now, if you want to change your address on Taobao, it is very easy. Once you have logged in or signed up and you are now signed in on your account, on your Taobao account, that is, all you need to do to change or set your address is look to the very top. There is going to be a very small white line here. And one of the options here is going to say My Taobao. So click on that and this pop-up will appear. Now, once this pop-up appears, you need to look towards delivery address, and as you can see here, there is no delivery address yet. Please add one. So click that and you will be brought to this page. So now you can see add address, and now you can just put the address here. It says mainland China. Let's make it apparently I am not here, but anyway, so you just fill in your address here, click confirm, and you'll be good to go. Now if you have an address here, there's going to be an option here for you to edit the address. And once you click edit, this will appear again, but this will be filled up with your address. And all you need to do is just change everything the way you want to. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.